Remedymedscom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for prescription or over-the-counter medications online, most people get this wrong by assuming all pharmacies offer the same pricing. The surprising truth is that Remedymedscom combines convenience, competitive pricing, and discreet delivery, but costs vary based on medication type, brand, and quantity. Generic medications often start around for standard supply, while branded or specialty prescriptions can range from 2 or more. Discounts, bulk orders, and subscription plans may reduce costs, while expedited shipping adds per order. What you get: affordable medication options, home delivery, privacy, and subscription convenience. What you give up: possible shipping delays, verification requirements, and limited in-person pharmacist interaction. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare generic versus brand pricing. Step 2. Use subscription plans for regular medications. Step 3. Check shipping options and costs. Step 4. Verify prescriptions in advance to avoid delays. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore verification rules. You risk order rejection or delay. The surprising truth is that Remedymedscom pricing balances medication cost, convenience, and regulatory compliance. In conclusion, Remedymedscom provides a practical and cost-effective way to access medications online. Understanding product costs, shipping, and subscription options ensures you get what you need while maximizing value for your money.